I want to talk about how you can unleash growth and how Webflow empowers SaaS marketing teams to be able to move more effectively and efficiently in their businesses. This tool really helps to drive agility and control, give innovation to the marketing team, maximize lead generation and conversions simply because of the way that you can move a lot faster and leverage this tool along the way. Hi, my name is Laith, and on this channel, I share advice, tools, and motivation to help you be able to launch much better websites and better designs so that you'll be able to increase leads and conversions in your business. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So let's go straight into the video today. You see, the challenge is that there's a big issue that many marketers are facing. And the big secret to scaling growth within Webflow really comes down to overcoming these challenges. It really comes down to the delays between the marketing and the design team, the bottlenecks in the roadmap development between the developers and the designers and developers or the engineering team, and also the complexities in sometimes the requests from the marketing team between the current CMS they're using and the engineers and marketers working together to see how they can get some of these automations, AI tools, etc. with the current CMS, with the current platforms they're leveraging, and to be able to move and innovate quickly as well. Now, really what you want to do is overcome these challenges, and this tool can help to do that. And I'm going to show you a framework to really help you do that along the way today. You see, really what you want is innovation, synergy, and agility. You want that synergy between the design and the marketing team to be able to move a lot faster and still be on brand as well. You want to make sure that the design and the engineering team can move with agility so that we're not waiting on designers to always finish designs, get it signed off, and then hand over to engineers. And you also want to make sure the engineers and the marketers can have real innovation creatively with the tech work that they're doing to launch some features and be able to get ideas out into the market so that the marketing team, when working with engineers, can launch new ideas to get and generate leads for the business. The big thing I'm beginning to see is that there's these big challenges that we need to overcome. And here's some companies that I've been able to work with to help them do that along the way. This really comes down to the dependency on developers, slow time to market, limited autonomy, increased costs, design restrictions, slower iterations and testing, inconsistent branding and user experience, longer feedback loops that are really affecting our marketers right now today, risk of outdating content, and fundamentally a missed opportunity for lead generation. Leveraging this one platform with the growth framework that I'm going to show you today will help overcome these challenges and much more. And I've been able to repeat this growth framework for multiple companies that I've been able to work with as well. So I can show with you today the benefits of leveraging the growth framework I'm about to teach you and why it's so important to be able to implement in your business right now. I'll show you how it simplifies collaboration, speeds up development, and really empowers marketers like never before. There's never been a platform on the market like this. And the reason why I'm leveraging it and been using it over the past 4 to 5 years, I've seen the benefits. I want to show you today how it works. And really what Webflow can do for the marketing team is that you'll be able to deploy new landing pages, test campaigns, update your entire website in a fraction of the time compared to traditional platforms on the market like WordPress Enterprise, Sitecore, Contentful, and other platforms like Adobe Experience Manager and others. These platforms are not moving fast enough and don't have the innovation in place to be able to keep up with the needs of marketers today. And this is why I've seen this, because I've seen over the years that when you've been able to see how this can affect businesses, it's time to know that you need to have a change. You see, over 13 years of experience of working with brands like Nestle and British Airways, I've been able to work with them within the businesses to help overcome these bottlenecks and challenges by being part of a team, but showing them the benefits of leveraging new tools and innovative tools to be able to improve as well. I've been able to help companies streamline their design and marketing and engineering teams by working with designers much more efficiently for a 20% faster launches because the design team is moving and working a lot faster. We've been able to help teams deliver 3x increase in speed to market for landing pages for Sten because I worked with the team at Sten to be able to get Webflow Enterprise over the line and into the business. We were able to reduce the size of the development team and be able to launch the website and landing pages much faster and empower the marketers to be able to launch landing pages from their CMS and have much more control as well. You see, Webflow have shared on their website the benefits of using their platform. So a company like Lattice has had a 20% increase in generating leads and increase in traffic from their Webflow development. a team like Fivetrain, they've had an increase in 98% increase in speed to market from leveraging a platform like Webflow. And Jasper have had a 3x increase in launching landing pages just from using Webflow. And recently, our company became a certified Webflow professional partner, signed off by the Webflow team. So we really understand this platform in depth and have been able to really see the benefits for our clients like Iridium Law Tech, where they've had a 98% increase in speed to market. And when we redesigned their whole website, which took them 3 months, we were able to do it in just under a month, simply because of the way we can leverage and do things inside of Webflow. The new design also gave them a 23.4% increase in leads for their business as well. Then there's also our team here, the real estate lead generation tool called Tatalot that we worked with. They saw a 3x increase in page builds that we were able to build out for their team to help them generate leads for their business as well within the real estate sector. But they have a tech platform that allows them to generate leads to be able to buy homes. And they saw the benefits of leveraging Webflow CMS for their team as well. You see, this is what Webflow really offers, especially our marketers today. Collaboration to let teams work simultaneously. Design systems can have more control and maintenance. So when you're working with designers, it's much more efficiently. The website changes can be tracked through the API and you can have really complex API connections that are simple inside of Webflow. Secure testing within a standalone staging environment, because Webflow is a hosted CMS, so it's much more secure than many others on the market. And I've been able to see my clients leverage this platform and be able to scale much faster. So I want to teach you now the growth framework and how, whenever I'm working with a business, what we're implementing is the growth framework in their business to see how it can work. But what happens really if you don't switch? One of the biggest challenges is this dependency where you're stuck on developers and their roadmaps that's getting in the way of you launching new pages and new ideas and getting it to market. Second thing I see is a speed challenge where when you want to get new content, new landing pages out there, basically it means that your competitors can move faster than you if they're leveraging a CMS like Webflow along the way. Also, the collaboration means that you will have no control. Experimentation becomes nearly impossible because you're always having to collaborate with your designers and engineers to be able to move and get things done, which you do need to collaborate with them, but you're basically waiting for them to do some work before you're able to launch pages, which you don't need engineers for or designers. With the right systems in place, with the right control in place, you can be able to do it inside of your own CMS. And also with an outdated CMS, less leads and slower growth because of the fact of the 3 challenges I've mentioned before. Now, this is what happens I've seen many times for companies that don't switch and stick to their old outdated CMS, which has its challenges. So I want to speak to you now about why the growth framework is so important for you to implement in your business today. You see, this is a 6-step framework to transforming your website and your team with leveraging a tool like Webflow. It gives you greater control because you can empower your marketers to have more autonomy over the website management instead of having to always go to the engineering team. It gives you reduced frustration because it will eliminate dependencies on developers and avoid bottlenecks. You'll be able to optimize your time to market because you'll be able to launch and update campaigns a lot faster, which will improve responsiveness to market needs. In other words, when your competitors are launching things, you can be able to see what's going on and launch much faster. You'll be able to have winning results because you'll be able to achieve and surpass your marketing results because your CMS is able to help you move faster. And you'll be able to leverage data-driven design and have A/B testing all inside of one platform. And you'll also be able to get analytics all inside of the same platform. So with Webflow, you don't even need to leave to go to Google Analytics now. You can get all of that data right inside of the CMS for you as well. You'll be able to have better collaboration with your team members because it will enhance the way you work with marketers and design and development, which means that you can now think of new ways of working together that can help reduce friction between you all. And when it comes onto higher innovation, this is where you can really foster creativity and experiment and have the freedom to iterate much faster as well. The growth framework gives us a model, a way of thinking about not only just implementing a new website. Yeah, that's one thing, which is updating design, but how is that new design impacting how you're working with the different team members and fundamentally helping you generate more leads, qualified leads for your business? And the reason why I know this is true, because we're able to innovate and experiment much faster to see what works as well. You see, you really kind of have two options here between a better CMS or the current one you're using, which is the growth or decline. And I want to tell you why choosing growth is so important. Because if you stick with your outdated platform and keep battling the same roadmaps, or you could go halfway and see limited results. Or the third option is really to fully embrace leveraging a platform like Webflow and watch how fast your team will take off, because I've seen this over and over again. The big thing here is, are you ready to take your SaaS growth to the next level? Well, I want to invite you to get some results like I've seen for some of my clients. 50% increase for TriLife Education and their tech platform, 23.4% for Iridium Law Tech, and 12% increase in leads for Amanda at TCW. So I've been able to see how leveraging a platform like Webflow can help you be able to move a lot faster. And if you're ready to see your business grow, I just want you to book a call with me, and I want to talk to you about how we can implement the growth framework in your business today. So you'll see a link or a button below. Just click on that and you'll be able to book a call, and I'll basically walk you through the growth framework to see how it can be helpful for you in your business today. And if you can let me know in the comments below, what's the current CMS that you're using to build your website on? Maybe you're a current Webflow user, but you're not at enterprise level, or you're thinking about enterprise level and you're wondering what to do. Or maybe you are using WordPress and you're wondering how you can switch, whatever it may be. Let me know in the comments below, and let's have a conversation about why Webflow is even better. And I hope I've answered some of those questions today. So as you can see, Webflow can really help empower you and empower your business to be able to work a lot more efficiently and effectively. This one CMS platform is so powerful, and I've seen the benefits of this over and over and over again. So if you'd love to know more, just subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to even get in touch with me, just go to the description box below and click the link to book a call with me today. So I want to thank you for taking the time out, and I can't wait to speak to you soon. All right, take care.